So this is Leaf's Texturising Scissor, and there's a lot of things design-wise that we worked really hard on when it came to producing this product. We mimicked the handle of the Black Edition scissor because we felt this was the most comfortable design that we could produce. And then with the scissors, and then with the texturising scissors themselves, a couple of key features which I wanted to point out. When it comes to the teeth of this blade, you can see that it's micro-serrated on the edge. And what this allows is for these texturising scissors, when working on the hair, to pass effortlessly through the hair without any grab. It also means that you can use them to slice through the hair if you wanted to as well. We worked on creating a product that can be used by either left-handed or right-handed people without affecting performance. I'm a left-handed person myself, so this was super important to me. But we done this by ensuring that where the blades meet, there was the right amount of gap between for there to be enough give when pushing together as a right-handed and enough pull when using it as a left-handed person.